them mind. To take a lot of innocent life, don't generate. What a wicked dog. I saw the side of mine and the boss in my garden. Yo, hold on, Bantam. Yo, if we need to see a breakout of peace immediately, let me see your hands in the air. All who want some peace and love in the world right now, Chano and madness are going, kick it. The sorry set, this song is still relevant so many years later. Things getting from bad to worse, but still, God gathering is all about an awful meditation, love and peace we are dealing around here. What is that? Reality song is white TV in a reality song. 2017, God gathering, yeah. It was the 7th of December 2005. Three take the chain and one take I must ride. With an evil intention, they're on their mind. To take a lot of innocent life, not gathering. What a wicked dog. I saw inside for mine and the bossy mommy not them not sack. Well, it's a top that. A little innocent life is appearing a flash. What a evil it's acting. I saw inside for mine. Me not them back back. Legal shop no respect that. Tell them nobody come and shut out a religion. That's why they murder the innocent. They never kill the prime minister. They never kill the president.